In this video, we're going to be looking at Explain Everything, so the brand new whiteboard, but specifically at the templates for elementary classrooms. So remember, to get here, so this is the Explain Everything whiteboard, you're going to click your Flame, Applications, and Explain Everything is that first app. So when you tap it, it's going to open the whiteboard. Now, to get to the templates, the easiest way and the most consistent way, you're going to want to look in the left-hand corner. So up here, and you're going to want to click that Home button. From here, you're going to see Blank Canvas, Template, or Files. I'm going to click Template. Now, this is going to open all of the templates in Explain Everything. On the side here, they are broken down into categories. So you all can choose primary if you want and kind of go through and see which ones, apply to you, or you can stay in the all and just kind of go through. Most of these are going to be primary. But if you see a template that you would like, all you have to do is tap it and go ahead and let it load, especially if it's multiple pages. And then this template is now yours to use. So you can edit it, you can add to it. This one is 7 pages. So in the right-hand corner here, you can tap and see that it's 7 pages. Now, any of these, when I tap, they are locked. I could come up here and unlock them, or I can change any of this. If you tap it and click edit, if I didn't want that to be 10, I could delete this, because now here's my on-screen keyboard, and make it whatever number I need it to be. So just because these templates are already filled out with certain numbers, or if it's, an ELA template with certain words, it does not mean you have to use those. You can always come in and edit them. Now, after you have chosen a template you want to use, maybe you've made a few edits, you are going to want to come up here and click that skinny snowman and click Save As. This is saving it to either the panel. So if you just want to save it to the panel, you will click Internal Storage. If you want to save it to your drive, you'll choose your OneDrive. And if there's a specific folder, tap that folder. And then you can also rename it down here, just making sure it has that .explain file type, so that you can just reopen this template, which is now yours, so this file, every time you need to use it. Hope that helps.